The Akwasidae Festival is a magnificent Ashanti celebration centered on ancestral reverence, remembrance, and acknowledgement of past kings. It serves as a celebration of the golden stool and a cultural vibrancy that brings together the Asante sub-chiefs and subjects of the Asante Kingdom at the Menchia Palace in Kumasi. The festival is celebrated every 6 weeks in line with the Asante calendar. Akwasidae captures the vivid splendor, magnificence, and wealth exhibited in the regalia, performance, and customs of the Asante kings. The festival comes in two parts. This involves public and private ceremonies. During the private ceremony, the Asante visits the Bantu